Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error number 2032. So how you can fix this error? First you need to know that this error you can get when you try to, this error is internet error, so it can be caused by your internet connection. So first you need to check your router, internet router, if it's on and it's working or is at your router. Second variant, you can try to disconnect from your Wi-Fi and connect it again and just open your internet settings. So just right click on it and choose open network internet settings. Here you can see it, and just check your here you can see that I successfully connect to my Wi-Fi and everything works. Here you can click on change adapter options, and here you will see all your connections. So here it is my connection. So with Wi-Fi you will see it like rating, like diagram, and just here you can see disable. Also you can try to click disable, and after you disable, just click 2 times and it will enabled. So just try to reconnect your to your internet and just try it again in your browser to open some site. So I hope that it will help you. If not, just try to restart your computer and to change some settings in your internet. So maybe it's IP or proxy, so just check it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.